Hey guys, this is Stephanie from Bassiani, and today I'm going to show you how to thread your serger. And when I mean thread, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So here's your serger. Here's your thread. All you need to do, if it's already working properly, you clip right here. You clip right here. Take off your cones. Okay? We're going to put 4 brand new cones on here. So what you're going to do, 1, 2, 3. This one we got to do. Oh, this is so tight. All right. Okay. Okay. This is what you're going to do. You're going to tie them off. So you're going to take the purple one that you have and the black one right here. And you're going to tie them together. Tie it. Tie it again. You see? We tie it, right? Just like that. It's not going nowhere. Okay. We're going to tie the next one. This is this one. We're going to tie it again. Don't make the string so long. Okay. So that's one tie. That's 2 ties. See, you're tying it. So 1 tie, 2 tie. Make sure it's secure because we're going to pull it through. We're going to do the same thing for this one. All right. We're going to tie it again. I'm going to see if you guys see it. I just tie it regular. Tie. That's 1 tie. That's 2 ties. We're going to tighten it. We're going to pull it, check to make sure that it's not going nowhere. See? And I always, this little extra piece here, that extra piece with this extra piece right here, just take it off. All right. And then we're going to do the last one. Okay, so we're going to do this. There it is. We're going to tie it. I don't care which brand you have. Serger. So you're going to tie it. See? Make sure, pull it. Make sure it's not going anywhere. All right. And now we're going to push it through. Now we're going to push it through. Make sure. So we're going to push it through. So with this one, go like that. Move this to the side. Okay. Make sure your needle is up at the eyes point. Okay. You're going to use your tweezer. You're going to really go right here. Take this out. Pull it apart. piece apart. I'm going to pull these apart, right? The first one you're going to pull through is this one right here. Okay? That one, you got to bring that through first. So this one is this right here. You see I'm pulling it? That's the one coming. It's coming. All right? And it's going to come right through. And there it is. Here's the tie on it. And there it is. Right here. Okay? You're going to pull that through. Now, you're going to go to this one. Now this one might be a little bit tighter. I know we could put it from here, right here, so that it can come through. There it is. Pull it right through. There it is. Okay. All right. Some people stitch it. Don't do it. Put it through. Okay. All right, now take out this one. That's the one I'm doing. This is it right here. This is this right here, which is the left needle. Pull that through. Here's the black. And then we're going to put this through the needle itself. There you can see it. So I'll use the light to guide it. So the light. You're going to push it through. And then here's the next one, which is this one, which is the right needle. And there it is. Push this through. Okay. And push this through right here. That's gone through. Okay. So we have all four. Here it is, all four. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to put it in the back. Okay. We'll put this here. All right. And there it is. And you're done. All right. So you want to do your serger. You want to change the thread. Cut it from here. Tie it 2, 1, 2, and tie it tight, and then pull it through one at a time. Make sure you do this looper first, then this one, then your left needle, and then your right needle. Now, if you're sewing and say one of the thread don't look right, all right, it loose, you know, while you're sewing, it's stitching correctly. It just might be so loose, and you can see the thread. Change out your thread to 4 different color: black, white, yellow, red. Sew it, and then whatever thread is loose, you just tighten the knob. Okay, you know, lefty loosey. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys for being my subscriber. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys been asking questions. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you like my channel. So thumbs up, ask question, and I will answer. Bye, guys.